Hello everyone, Miss Fail here, Head of Maths. I put together this video to talk briefly through the A-Level Maths course that we offer at Lambourne High School, which is part of your options choices for sixth form this September 2021. I'm going to go through a couple of key points related to the course, including a quick overview of the content, how the course is examined, and what you can expect from the course. So, firstly, the option that we offer in sixth form at Lambourne High School for mathematics is an A-level. Okay, so you get a full A-level at the end of the course. I'm going to talk briefly through the entry requirements and the exam components of the course. The entry requirements to start the course of A-level maths at Lambourne, you need at least a grade B in GCSE maths at higher tier. The reason for that is because the course builds on the learning from GCSE maths, particularly the algebra content at higher tier GCSE. Okay, so at least a grade B, if not higher, in GCSE maths, and that needs to come from the higher tier course, just to ensure you've covered all the content required to access the A-level maths course. Now, you may have done GCSE additional maths, okay? That is not an essential requirement to access the A-level course, but you may find it beneficial, okay? But if you've not done additional maths at GCSE, that is not a problem, okay? You're still able to access the A-level course. Now, the way the course is examined for A-level maths, you've got 2 exams in year 12 and 2 exams in year 13, and they follow a similar sort of model. What you've got at the end of year 12, there's no exams in January or at any point in the year, just at the end of the year. You've got Unit 1, which is what we call pure maths. Okay, I'll go into that a bit more detail in a moment. And Unit 2, which is the applied section of the course, which focuses on statistics and mechanics. The course is sort of split into 2, the pure maths and the applied maths, which covers statistics and mechanics. And year 13 follows just the same model. Again, 2 exams at the end of the year. Unit 3 is pure maths and Unit 4 is the applied maths. And the year 13 work builds on the year 12 work. Okay, so the content covered in year 12, you then build on that and there's new content into year 13. Now, the exam board for A-level maths is WJEC. Okay, if you'd like more information about this course, I've put a link at the bottom there of where you can find more information on the exam board website. Feel free to pause the video and make a note of that web link there. That's just a very general overview of how the course is examined, okay, and the entry requirements to access the course. I'm going to talk through a little bit of detail, quick overview actually, of the content of the A-level maths course, okay. And again, here, as I mentioned a moment ago, we've got pure maths and the applied maths. So Unit 1 in year 12 and Unit 3 in year 13 covers pure maths, which very much builds on some of the higher tier GCSE content and extends it further. And you may notice some new topics in here as well. So the A-level maths course, very strong focus on algebra and getting a really secure understanding of algebra and functions. We look at some proof, okay, in A-level maths. Coordinate geometry holds a strong position in the A-level maths course as well. Some of these might be familiar to you, building on the GCSE course. Series and sequences, trigonometry, you'll obviously have come across in GCSE maths. Okay, you build on that trigonometry knowledge. Possibly some new topics here. Exponentials and logarithms, you may have heard of some of these may be new to you. Differentiation and integration. These feature in the additional maths at GCSE, which you may have come across. But as I mentioned a moment ago, if you've not done GCSE additional maths, don't worry. Okay, you'll be introduced to these as part of the A-level course in year 12. Okay, so don't worry if you've not come across those before. Work on vectors and numerical methods. Okay, so most of these are covered in year 12 and you build on them into year 13, okay, to extend that knowledge further around this content. The applied maths, which again, Unit 2 is examined at the end of year 12 and Unit 4 is examined at the end of year 13. Based around statistics, which is these top 5 points here, and mechanics, which is the second 5 here. Okay, so the examination covers all of this content, both the stats and the mechanics. Again, some of this you may have come across in GCSE maths. You may have also come across some of this in GCSE physics, for example. okay, particularly the mechanics work. We've got statistics, data presentation, data interpretation, probability, hypothesis testing. Okay, some of this will be new to you within the A-level course. And as I said here, the mechanics content may have covered some of that in GCSE science within the physics content. Okay, some of that will definitely be new content, new topics at AS and A-level. That's a very brief overview of the course, okay, building on the GCSE and introducing some new content as well. Now, in terms of resources for the course, okay, the exam board, WJEC, offer a variety of textbooks which cover the content and also offer some practice, exam style and revision tips, etc. For both the AS course, as you can see here, and the A-level course in year 13, there's a pure textbook and there's also an applied textbook, which covers all the content covered in the specification that will be in the exams. For each year, there's also, you can see here, a pure and applied practice tests book. Okay, very much practicing the exam style content, exam style questions. And again, for each year, there's also a revision guide. Okay, so those resources are available for the course. Now, in terms of next steps with the course, okay, prospects, where the course may come in handy for you in future plans. A-level maths is seen as a hugely favoured and valued subject, okay, by universities, colleges, apprenticeship providers and employers. Basically, wherever you plan for your next steps to take you, A-level maths is seen as really positive, okay, and a really, really strong A-level to have. I've listed here some possible routes where A-level maths can take you, okay. Generally, these degrees at university require or strongly favour having A-level maths as one of your A-levels. There are other degrees as well which require A-level maths, but these are some of the common ones. Obviously, a degree in maths, okay. There's many different sorts of engineering, okay, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, software engineering, quite an extensive list of engineering degrees, all often require A-level maths. Physics, again, you're going to need A-level maths, okay, to access a physics degree. Medicine, psychology, economics, law, the list goes on. And also teaching as well, okay. If you want to go into maths teaching, for example, or science teaching, A-level maths is going to really benefit you there, okay. Business management, okay. So there's quite a long list there. There are plenty of others as well of degrees, professions, apprenticeships and so on, and these all strongly favour and they often require A-level maths as a prerequisite to enter those courses and those professions. So hopefully that overview helped you there of what the course covers, how the course is assessed, and where the next steps may take you for A-level maths. If you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. There's my email address there, so I'm Miss Fail, Head of Maths. And I've also put Miss Brassington's email there as well. Miss Brassington is the head of sixth form, and she's also one of our maths teachers who teaches the A-level maths course. So feel free to get in touch with either of us. Okay? Hopefully that's been helpful for you, and good luck with making your choices.